Mmm. Good Chardonnay.
So when are we going to put these things in?
Oh,
We have this big plate of
well, I've got these.
More? A big white thing?
There you go.
What do you think about like this?
Yeah, that would work.
And you want some like ketchup in the middle?
More water or wine?
What's this?
That's the sauce.
Thursday.
Sauce with the onion rings.
Oh, so I could do two little
You
things.
want more? Okay, last one. I'm going to cut you off. All done.